What if you could finish your homework faster, take better notes, and study smarter all with AI? Here are 6 AI tools every student should know about. Number 1. ChatGPT. Need help understanding a tough topic? ChatGPT can explain complex ideas in simple words, create study guides, and even help brainstorm essay ideas. Number 2. Grammarly. Say goodbye to grammar mistakes. Grammarly checks your writing, improves clarity, and makes your assignments look more professional in seconds. Number 3. Notion AI. This tool can summarize notes, organize projects, and create to-do lists automatically. Perfect for busy students juggling multiple classes. Number 4. Quizlet AI. Turn your notes into flashcards instantly. Quizlet helps you memorize information faster with personalized study sessions. Number 5. Otter.ai. Hate taking notes during lectures? Otter.ai records and transcribes lessons automatically, so you can focus on listening instead of typing. Number 6. Canva Magic Studio. Need a presentation that looks amazing? Canva's AI features create designs, slides, and graphics in minutes. The best part, these tools can save hours every week and help you focus on learning instead of repetitive tasks. Which AI tool are you already using, and which one are you trying next? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tech tips.